In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize the header menu text in Shopify. This process involves a few steps that may seem a bit technical at first, but don't worry. I'll break it down for you clearly and simply so you can follow along with ease. First, you'll need to access your theme's code. To do this, start by navigating to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Online Store, and from there, click on Themes. You'll see a list of all the themes you currently have. Identify the one you wish to modify, click on Actions, and select Edit Code. This will take you into the code editor. Now that you're in the code editor, let's find the CSS file that controls your theme's styling. These files are usually located in the Assets folder. Common file names for these CSS files include base.css, theme.css, or style.css, depending on the specific theme you're using. Open the appropriate CSS file. This is where you'll add your custom styling rule. Once you've located your CSS file, scroll down to the very bottom. Here, you'll add a new CSS rule. This rule will specifically target the header menu items and adjust the font size according to your preference. It's important to be aware that the exact class name for your header menu items might differ slightly from one theme to another. However, a common class you might see is header os menu item, or in some cases, .list menu, inline span. To insert the code, simply add the following snippet to the file. Header menu, font size. Header menu item / font size 20px. Adjust this value as needed. If the above code doesn't seem to apply, you can alternatively use this. List menu, inline span with font size 20px. Now, the specified value of 20px is just a suggestion. Feel free to adjust the font size property to any value that fits your design needs. It's worth noting that if you find the adjusted size isn't reflecting as expected, inspect the elements using your browser's developer tools to identify the precise CSS class your theme uses for those header menu items. After making these changes, the next critical step is to save your work. Look for the Save button, usually found at the top right or bottom of the editor, and click it to apply the adjustments to your theme. Once that's done, it's time to see the results of your handiwork. Preview your online store to check how the updated menu font size looks. Sometimes the changes may not appear immediately due to cached data. If this happens, clearing your browser's cache should do the trick. And that's it. You've successfully resized your header menu text in Shopify.